Hello everyone, welcome to Beaver's Hobby channel. In this video, we're gonna take a look at something a little bit different. Here's a turbo racing C71 1/276 scale RC car. Before we begin, I would like to thank Banggood as always for sending me this car for review. If you are interested in buying one, the link is in the description as always. Now let's get on with the video. Inside the box we have a manual. And here's a quick start guide that tells you everything you need to know. Next is the car. As you can see, it is tiny. And then there are two unpainted bodies, so you can paint them however you like. On to the transmitter. It has detachable handle, which makes it compact and very easy to carry around. To put it together, just slide the top in like this. To open the battery compartment, twist the knob and pull it out. You'll have to provide your own 4 AAA batteries for the transmitter. And finally, there's a USB Type-C charging cable and a clip to bind the car to other transmitter. Let's take a closer look at the car. This is 1/276 scale RC car with full proportional on both steering and throttle. The function is like a proper RC car with forward, brake and reverse. The turning circle is 20 cm. And it is much faster than the Mini, which is the previous version. The body looks fantastic and very true to scale. There are lights when you turn the car on. And there are also brake lights as well, which will activate when you brake. The wheelbase is 33.5 mm. And the width is 25 mm. As you can see, it is smaller than a Hot Wheel. Still, this is much bigger comparing to the Mini. And this is how it looks on the inside. You see that everything is on one single board, and there's not much room to modify. The transmitter has all the basics, steering and throttle trims. Steering and throttle dual rates. Here's a switch to reverse the steering. And here's a switch to select the top speed between 20, 50 and 100%. This is essentially dual rate for the throttle. However, on 20 and 50%, the dual rate dial doesn't work. It only works on 100%, and you can turn this dial to make it go slower than what you can do with the switch. To charge the car with the transmitter, first you'll need to extend the charging plug, slide the switch, and turn it clockwise. Then plug the car in. Now flick the switch to charge, and you'll see a light here. And once the light goes out, the charging is finished. Switch the transmitter off, and you can pull the car out. Now turn this switch anti-clockwise to retract the charging plug. Let's take a look at how it drives. It drives fantastically when it's on a grippy surface. It is fast, the steering and the throttle are precise, and it is really fun to drive. However, if you run it on a slippery surface, like a wooden tabletop, you cannot use auto throttle, otherwise it will bounce around and it is not really controllable. There's no low speed control for this car. Look at how much I have to pull the trigger to make the car move when it is on 20% speed. And that's the only annoying thing I have found on this otherwise amazing tiny car. The transmitter is upgradable because the protocol is the same across the turbo racing products, from the Mini to Hobby Plus CR24. So you can get something like this P52 transmitter and you'll have a screen with all the settings you'll ever need. EPA, exponential, model memory, you name it, and you can have one transmitter to drive all the cars. And next, let's take a look at the price. At $80 to $86, it is quite expensive, but if you consider everything that goes into this car, it is well worth the money. Finally, which one should you buy between this and the Mini? This one is longer. It is faster. It handles better on a right surface. And the wheels are bigger, which makes the car higher from the ground, so it is less likely to get something stuck underneath. So the question is the Mini still good to buy today? I would say yes. The Mini works better on a wooden tabletop or somewhere that is smooth but doesn't have much grip, and it is plenty fast enough for such a tiny car. But if you wanna get a car with turbo racing racetrack, then C71 is going to be more fun. And that's it for this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload a new video. You can follow me on Facebook or social media for quick updates, written reviews, news, and see what I'm doing between videos. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time.